Today, let me show you how you can delete HelloFresh account. Welcome back to App Mentor. This will be a straightforward process, so make sure to follow along. First, let's open any browser and go to HelloFresh website. Once you're in the website, sign into your account, go to your profile and click on Contact. Go to Chat and you will be directed to a chat room with an agent. Just type delete my account and send it. Two options will pop up, either cancel subscription or delete account data. Just go ahead and choose delete account data to fully delete your HelloFresh account. Follow through the steps until you reach the confirmation that your account will be deleted. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!